We're Smallpeice, the charity that thinks learning should be fun and easy to get hold of.
And today we're thinking inside the box.
Just because the picture on the box says STEM, so science, technology, engineering or maths, it doesn't mean what's inside is.
So we're the non-STEM experts opening up the contents.
And getting STEM experts to put what's inside to the test.
Making sure the small people in your life have fun and learn a little STEM on the way. So, we have, and now I don't know how to really pronounce this, is it Makedo or Makedo?
I'm gonna go Makedo.
Makedo, because you're making do with what you got, which is the cardboard that you need for this product.
Yeah, you've already said, just before we started, that on there it says how to make do, and it's like find everyday cardboard, make imaginative playthings, play for hours on end, tools used again and again and again. And you can see from the picture,
it is essentially the tools.
Although I'm gonna say, this puts a lot of pressure on the parents.
Yeah.
Because
you need cardboard for this.
Yeah, but you also need the ability to put something together like that. I mean...
Yeah, oh, I mean, the dragon and the wings.
So it says
it's
5...
far-fetched, isn't it?
Yeah, well, look, 5 plus, I'm already going to say, if they're 5, you're making it.
Oh, yeah.
If they're 10, let's see. Yeah, let's see. Okay.
Let's look at the tools.
So you just open it up, and in there, you have got
now,
tools.
Are these sharp?
They're not sharp like that. Like I could definitely, and then there's a smaller one. Oh, do you know what there are? 2 of them.
2 kids could play with it.
Awesome.
Is that cardboard we could use?
Yeah, come on.
Should we try it?
Yeah. Okay, ready? That's pretty strict. That one, the big one, is easy. Are you on the little one next? Or was that the big one?
That was the big one.
Okay, let's go to the one.
Wow.
That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. I'm not entirely sure what these are.
Screws, I think.
Yeah, but the plastic.
Also, it says on the back what you get, which is good.
So this is a mini tool. Okay, and then on the other side, yeah, so we've got, so I know what this is.
Go on.
So I'm going to use the same box. So the idea is that you put it, let me just do it somewhere you can see it. I'm very good at this video and stuff, am I? Just roll it back and forth, and then it makes it easier then for you to then bend it, but it doesn't break. Okay. So that's how you get your bend in it. So, here we go. The instructions are on the box that we're currently ruining.
Or is it more of a, yeah?
Okay, it's more of a push and a wiggle. Punch a hole or 2 and wiggle through your safe saw.
There you go.
Anyway, I'm getting there.
Look at that.
Oh, nice. Oh, and then the idea is that you should be able to kind of like put this one together, and then you can like turn it into a mechanism.
Well, it's also a screwdriver.
Yeah.
So
the screwdriver was in the other bit.
The idea is to, let's try this again. So if I put a hole using this tool here,
Okay.
And then we get a screw here, and we put it in this side, and then we get the screwdriver, which then...
Nice. See, I think that's where you get the 5-year-olds.
Yeah.
So you might end up making the holes and like having the overall vision for it.
Yeah.
But a 5-year-old would definitely love screwing that in and doing the cutting. I've done it on my skin, and that's not problematic. So you basically just need to keep an eye on to
It's really good that I've just noticed about these.
Yeah.
It says saw, safe.
Oh,
So it's a safe saw.
Does it come with other stuff? Did we get other stuff with it?
Oh, here's some stuff we
prepared earlier? Not quite. So,
ring and a spin hinge.
oh, so this is when you're taking it to like the next level.
There's some safety open things instead of trying to just tear it apart.
I did the same thing, Hannah. I think I might say something about us.
But we're not the STEM experts.
We're clearly not STEM experts. We struggle with any expertise. For the ones that I've got, you put them around your screws. Add rotating movement to your cardboard creations. So it just allows you to do that. So the idea is that you put this into your cardboard and then you put your screw in and then it allows it to move more easily. So that bit that I just showed you, it allows you to do that.
See, I've now got a spin hinge, which obviously flips both ways.
Oh, so if you were like making a house, you could do walls and windows with it.
One second, it goes the other way, doesn't it? Okay, so the trick is you get a spin hinge.
You don't need that, yeah.
There we go. You get a spin hinge. You get your pointy thing. You point through it.
I don't think they're going to use this as part of their instructional videos.
I think you point through it, and then well, you get the gist anyway.
She's totally lost it.
Do you? Oh no.
Hold on.
And then you put your screw
This is the
in.
youngest one that we've done, as it's 5+, but also I think the one that we struggled to explain more than anything else.
And then you get your screwdriver.
Awesome.
And then
She's explaining this bit.
you
That's why these are extension activities.
Oh yeah. Oh, see? And now you've got a spin hinge.
That is pretty cool. I mean, that is pretty cool though. Like, genuinely, that is pretty cool.
That's engineering.
I mean, we're going to give it to our STEM experts, but
Yeah.
I think that
Just like this. They can see our handiwork.
we might have to take some of that out.
Yeah.
They might be embarrassed by us. Anyway, we'll put this out. The shame. Right. Thank you very much. We'll come back with what their thinkings are shortly. For this one, we bought it as a bundle. And actually, we've just looked up how much we paid for this, and it was £57, which we said was quite a lot.
Yeah.
So if your kids love playing with cardboard, then I think it is probably worth the investment for it.
Yeah, 100%.
In terms of all of the scores, pretty high, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it is reusable. I think that's the biggest point of it, is that as long as you've got enough cardboard, you can use these tools again and again and again. I think the main thing is just finding that massive cardboard. But in terms of them, they're plastic toys. So.
Yeah. So in terms of the sustainability, because it is all plastic, there's a bit of a question. But actually, everything that could be like cardboard or like all of that kind of stuff is really good. Which is why for sustainability we gave it a 3, because obviously if it was all made out of wood, you could go for a solid 5. But that was the only limitation. And we sort of said educational. It is super educational as long as you're being exploratory, but there isn't kind of any, you could do this. And I'm not saying we need it, but it just means that like, it's not like your typical, like, this is an educational toy would do. This is a creative toy that allows you to fulfill your creative engineering kind of viewpoint, I think. So we were super impressed. I mean, to be fair, for the price, I think it's probably worth the effort.
Yeah.
So thank you very much.
Pretty cool one.
Because we liked it so much, we are going to be giving it to Cotton End Primary School. So Ms. Deborah Smith, we hope that you're able to kind of pass it on to the right students, or even potentially use it in some of your kids' clubs. We really think that this could work well.